Hello everyone. Today is actually going to be my first ever Roblox video, and we're going to be starting this new series called RB World. This first video is just going to be me shooting around in the gym. Yeah. And if you have Discord, you can add me or hit me up. Love to befriend you. But yeah, let's get started. That's my avatar. We really good out here, so I'm a center. Centers don't really shoot. They say centers can't shoot threes, but you'd already know. I'm the next generation, actually. The best. So, get out here, that bait. You already know, fam. God. My life equals great, actually. Get a ball. They said setters can't shoot threes. You already know. Gotta wait for that stamina to go up. Okay, you already know. And my timing equals godly, so you saw that red? Brick. Alright, yeah. They right about that. Centers can't shoot threes, but you know what? I wanna hear that. Today is the day. My time to shine. Yup, boy. Let me show you how to do this jelly out here. Boy, you already know. Dunking on them boys. You already know. If you're a dunker, I would recommend dunk contest. Dunk behind the basket, see how well you can do. Like right there was just horrible. Yeah, horrible again. Horrible. Okay, but let me try my special dunk though. You already know that's wet. You already know that's in. See, boy, slips right off the rim. Y'all can't contest this, boy. Too good for you. Oh. It's like, never mind. Y'all want to see this movie shot out here? Oh boy, you already know. You want to see this green perfect release have it? Oh, I messed up. I'm gonna keep trying till I get a green. Splash. And no, let me hit another one out here. Ooh, you already know we splashed it out there. Okay, that was a sad shot. Let me try these level ups. Okay, we mastered that shot. We mastered this shot. Wow, my meter goes so fast right there. Wow, and I barely tapped it. No way. Okay, so from right here, I usually miss these. See, why does the shot just tip off? Just watch this. Just watch this. Just watch this. Wow, once I try to demonstrate it, it goes on. My life out here. Centers can't shoot threes, not today. Bang. Okay. I already know. Bang. Dang. That was sad. But y'all see this releasing though? Exactly. Release equals godly. Release equals godly for me, boys. She didn't airball one time. That godly. I'm going to make this. I am going to make this. Godly. Godly. Godly! I'm godly out here, boys. You already know that. If you don't, sad. Godly out here, boys. Ah, sad. Perfect. How did I? Sad, sad, sad in my life. Wait, let me try this type of dunk contest. Oh, that was sad. Let me try special dunk on them boys. Did I really? Damn, now my character's glitch. This is sad. Anytime you get glitched like that in the gym, you should probably just do like a respawn out here. Just playing in the gym. Already know. Oh, almost a green. Sad shot. Let me show you the best layup in the game. Easy. Easy. Oh my god, no way. That was like a dead red. I'm so done right now. Oh, what is that? Wow, that was so trash. What? Okay. This game really trying me. Oh, this is sad. Oh, ankles. Oh, grab them boys. Tuck it on the boys. Oh, splash. You wanna see this? You already know. Wow. Sensors don't have handles, so you know I can only do the basics out here. Well, okay. That was a sad shot. Oh, my life. Oh, I just fixed the hoop. Alright. Now, if you coming down court, you already know what you have to do, dog. Come out here. Ooh, snatch back movement shot. Bang. My life is good. Easy. Even if you're using stamina out here, you could come cross court. Ooh, snatch them ankles, boy. You already know. Ooh, sit them down. They think you about to dunk. Splash. Easy. Ooh, they coming again. Ooh, made them thought. They thought. Boom. Easy. This is after I make a half court, video's over. Easy. I'm MOG like that. Alright, you already know, boys. That is my episode of RB today. Promise you next episode probably be a video. Or if it's not on RB World, it'll be on some other game. But, you know, we all good. See you later, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment. If you comment, I'll be sure to know. And look through all of them. See you and goodbye. Love you. Oh, just to come back. This is like my first video, so I don't really know what I was doing. And I accidentally clicked play again, so you already know, gotta hit another half-court shot for y'all. Alright. Yep, this is sad. I can't even use a recording device. Bang. Wow, I airballed all my good shots. But the one that I did the worst releasing on, it goes in. My life exactly? I don't know. See, how did that shot brick so lightly? My logic here? Exactly. We fade away over the out of bounds. Heaven R. With the lowest stamina I can have. Fade away. Bang. Sad. My life defines it all. Bang. Super sad. Okay, we out here. Okay, we're not gonna make a half court, but like a kinda half court, because my character keeps fading away. How did I make it so easily the first time? Green release. Obviously, guys. Like, you all saw that. Because I'm a loser. Sad. Super sad. How should I feel? I don't even know. Oh, come on. What was that? I swear if that goes in. Oh, I'm lagging out here. Sad. Need a better computer. My life defines sad. I can't do this. You already know, guys. Been trying for 2 minutes. Can't do this. Let me show you this jelly layup out here. Worst timing. I'll do a better one. But I'll hit a green for y'all, though. You already know. My video is pretty much over. This is a dumb 10-minute video. Oh my god, who's gonna watch this? But, you already know, guys. Thank you, guys, and I'll see all you dudes. I'm not even gonna copy Jacksepticeye. Oh my god. Can I hit the screen release out here? Oh my god! I'm not gonna yell for those ripped headphone users. Sad. Alright, see you guys. Bye-bye.